Welcome to Hughie's Learning Lab, Lessons for Little Learners. Today, we will be doing a read-along with a book called Katie Can. Katie shows us that being different is like having a super special spark. In Katie's world, every day is a chance to celebrate what makes us wonderfully unique. Katie Can, a story about special needs, written by Erin Palmer, illustrated by John Joseph. Katie is ready. Time to go, Katie says. She is friendly to everyone. Hi, hello, hey. Katie loves school. Good morning. She works hard. I'll try, Katie says. Katie has a disability. It is called Down syndrome. It can be hard for her to learn new things. I'll try again. But Katie can do anything. I did it! Her family is proud. Great job! Down syndrome is a part of Katie, like her brown hair and her blue eyes. I'm happy to be me, Katie says. Thanks for watching. See you soon, little learners.